Hello everyone, in this video we are going to convert Python code to exe file using Python. Now suppose you have a useful tool such as an OCR tool which scans a document that you have written in Python. Now you want to give it to your friend. So first of all you have to give him the Python file, then ask him to download Python and download the required libraries. So it's a big hassle to do. So instead of that, we are today going to write a program which will convert your Python file to an exe file so that it's portable and anyone can use it without hassle. So our tool will also have a graphical user interface which we are going to create by using a package known as Streamlit. So in the program we are going to have two Python files. One is the Python file that is to be converted into exe file, and one is the Python file that will convert the other Python file into exe file. So here we have two Python files. This file will convert other files into exe, and this is the file which is going to be converted into exe file. So first I will explain you the program which is going to be converted. So here we are going to create some basic graphical user interface using tkinter. So we are creating a window, meaning we are opening tkinter, and after that we are giving it the title sample tkinter application. So this would be the text that would be displayed in the opened window. After that we are going to set the font and all what is to be displayed in the window. So this would be displayed in the tkinter window. After that we are using .grid method to create a grids and rows and column layout in our tkinter application. First I will execute this and I will show you how this tkinter application looks like. And after that we are going to use a function known as .main loop. So what this does, it infinitely executes this program till the user clicks on the close button. So I will explain you more about main loop when I execute this program. So here I am going to execute my Python program using the Python command, space the name of the Python file. Here you can see this is created using Python tkinter, the text we wanted to display, and the title sample tkinter application, here it is displayed. The program is working properly. Now I am going to explain you about main loop. Main loop, what it does, it executes this program infinitely till you press the close window. So just to program the file to execute this over and over till a user clicks on this close window. Now I will click this close window. This program will stop running. Now this was about the Python file which is to be converted into exe file. Now I am going to explain you the main Python file which would be doing all this work, meaning creating Python file to exe file. So here is the Python file. So first of all we are going to import a package known as Streamlit to create a graphical user interface in terms of a web page. After that we are going to import a package named OS. So OS would be the package would be converting our a Python file to executable file. So normally OS is not used for purposes like this. It is normally used for handling files and all those stuff. But when the code comes, I will explain you how we are using OS in this. So first of all, we are creating our user interface. So our user interface title, meaning a web page title, would be convert Python code to exe. So I am going to show you how our web page would be looking like in advance. So our web page will look something like this: convert Python code to exe. As you can see, convert Python code to exe. After that we are giving users a selection box for them to select a Python file to be converted. As you can see, the user interface would look something like this. Here there would be a selection box. The user would be select the Python file, and then we are going to use a button named convert. So what will happen whenever the user clicks on this button convert py to exe, our program will take the Python file and convert it and give it back to the user, meaning store in its local file system. As you can see, here is that button. It would convert your Python file and store it in your local file system. So now I am going to explain you how this conversion really works. So OS is not the package which is doing the main work. The main work is done by a package known as PyInstaller. Here as you can see, what this OS package does, it in background it opens up a Python terminal and executes this command. PyInstaller one file -1 file -w. So what it does is it executes this command in the Python terminal. PyInstaller packages takes a Python file and then converts it into exe file. So now you understand, OS is just a tool for us to use the main package that is doing the work, that is PyInstaller. So after that, this file is stored into our local file system in the same working directory. We are also going to give a success message to the user. Converted file is saved in this directory so that the user gets a confirmation. So now I am going to execute this program to give you a demonstration. So I'm going to execute this command streamlit space run and space the name of the Python file. Here, as you can see, we have got our web interface. I will choose the Python file, that is python tkinter app and .py. Then I'm going to click on convert py to exe. This may take some time. Then you have to wait till you get this message in your command prompt. Building exe from exe00.toc completed successfully. After that, if you look into your local file system, you will get 3 new folders that weren't present previously: pycache, build and dist. If you open this folder, you will get this exe file. So now I am going to execute this exe file and I should get the same tkinter interface that I got when I opened the Python file. So now I am going to execute this. As you can see, we are getting the same tkinter UI. So you can verify this program is working. So that's it for this video and thanks for watching.